hold my hand. You wanna go see if Santa Claus came? Whoa! What is that? What is it? Huh? Whose name is this? Does that say Ariana? Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's all important, baby. You can touch it. Hey, what about that right there? Look behind you. Hey, what about all this? What is it? Yeah. Give it a hug. Squeeze it tight, tight. Can you squeeze it tighter? Here. Yeah, it's got a bow. Watch. Who is it? Yeah, who is that? Is that Mickey? Is it Mouse? Wow, what's all the other stuff around here? Yeah, that's yours too. Wow. Hey.
Do you have a mouse?
There goes Dad. Oh, yeah. Put that over here. Look, keep pulling. Keep pulling. Come on. Use both hands. Keep pulling. Come on. Get it off. Keep pulling. Wow. Push it. Push it hard. Watch.
Might have to be turned on.
Let me see. Let me try to.
Yeah, look at the side right there. Yeah.
Push. Push it. Wow. Okay, you want to get another one? Here, let's take the scratching paper. Put it like that.
Who is it?
Is this another Elmo? Look at there. Screw the Wiggles. Look at the Wiggles. You see the Wiggles? What you think? Hmm? Yeah? Well, wait. We still gotta open up all these other presents though, baby. Here, let me see them.
She wants to watch the Wiggles. That's the one in her hand, right?
Yeah. Let me see.
I wonder if she remembers it.
Okay. Grab another one, baby. Grab another one. Yeah, go ahead. Grab one.
That's another.
Grab one. Wait, baby. Grab a box. Grab one. What is that? Yeah. Wow. What do you think? You want to open it? Do you want to wait until after you open up all your other ones? Okay, let me see. Come on.
Be careful because I think there might be little pieces in it. And she has a mouth. Good job.
Where's your toes? Here they are. Where's your fingers? Where's your hair? Yeah, you see your hairs? Oh, what about her ears? Where's the ears? Okay, give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. No. Well, look, babe, we're gonna sit over there. Give her a kiss so we can put her over there. Huh, I'll give her a kiss. Mwah. Okay, let me see. Okay, we gotta open up some more presents, baby. So let me see her. It's okay. I'll sit her right here with Mouse. Look, let me see. Watch. There with Mouse.
Hold it.
What'd you get, baby?
What is this? Look, it's a camera. Say smile, say cheese. Wow. Wow, you wanna? Well, we gotta finish opening presents, okay? Pick another one. See you soon. Pick another one. Pick another one. No, not that one. Okay, pick one, baby.
I think that came from over here.
No!
Oh wait, look, hey, it's right in front of you. Use that one. Open that one.
Wow! You got a mermaid? You love this mermaid, huh? He's got a pretty dress on. Hands, that's right. Good job. Fingers, yes, fingers. Right here, let's open this one. Right here. Hey, look, mermaid's right here. She's not going anywhere. Here, you want to open? No. No? You're content with what you have? So next year I can just buy you a little bit, this stuff? Yeah, you better look. And another mouse. Who is it? Can you tell Mommy? Who is that? Dad. We watched this one online, Dada.
Which one?
Mouse in Outer Space.
Oh.
Oh, and I love Minnie. What's Minnie holding? Holding, that's right. What's this? Bow. Yeah, bow. Right, lots of bows. Done. Okay.